Hi everyone, I'm Alissa Todd. I'm a financial advisor and I share weekly money tips here on YouTube, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel so you can get educated on all things money related. And today we're going to be talking about year-end bonuses. And if you're receiving a bonus this year, there are a few ways that you can thoughtfully spend and save your bonus so you can maximize the money that you're receiving. And as with any windfall of money, you want to be sure to plan for it, because you don't want to wake up a few weeks down the road or even a few days down the road and realize that it's all gone. So here are 5 ideas on how you can spend your bonus. The first idea is to treat yourself, and it might sound funny, a financial advisor telling you to actually spend your money, but you've worked hard to receive this bonus, so reward yourself because you deserve it. But be sure to set a limit to it. So assign 20% or 25% of your bonus to spend on yourself however you like, and then divide the rest up to go towards your longer term financial goals. The second idea is to pay down your high interest rate debt. Could be credit cards or personal loans. I've done a video on how to pay off debt, and I'll link that video down in the description box. The third idea is to start your emergency fund account. And this is a separate savings account where we recommend having at least a minimum of 3 months worth of expenses. I've done a video on this topic as well, on how to build your emergency fund on a limited budget. So I'll link that video in the description box below as well. The fourth idea is to put money away for your retirement or other bigger financial goals, such as a home down payment, investing in your business, or funding your child's college education plan. And then the fifth idea is to donate to your favorite charity. Not only will you feel good, but someone else can benefit from your generosity, which makes it even greater. So those are 5 ideas on what you can do with your bonus. What are you planning on doing with your money? If you are receiving a bonus, I would love to hear. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and if you enjoy the content so far, please do share it with a friend. And if you have any questions on your personal financial situation, please do send me a message or schedule a time to connect using the link below. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.